happy holidays to you and your family, and welcome to 2025 Christmas vlog, y'all. Yes, I am so happy to be here. But y'all know what I'm doing right now, right? I'm manifesting. But before we jump off into the vlog, you guys, I would like to say, if this is your first time here, welcome to FitFab and Over 50, and welcome to your first day of Christmas vlog with me and my family, you guys. Oh my goodness, yes, I'm so excited to do this Christmas vlog this year, y'all. Now, I'm gonna just be honest with y'all. I'm not about to promise y'all that I'm showing up every day, but I'm gonna show up as much as possible. Yeah, I owe y'all that. But let me jump off into the wig. Y'all know the last video that I put out, I was making this wig, but I went off with it being underneath the dryer. Now, let me just say this. For those who know, now this is a glueless wig. Baby, I ain't putting nothing on it. It ain't moving, it ain't doing nothing, because it's fit custom for me in my head. And y'all know that I hot glued this gun. I created this wig with a hot glue gun. Now, let me just say this to y'all. If this was a custom wig, of course I wouldn't have hot glued it, but it's mine. I told y'all I was making me a wig for every day. I'm tired of looking like a rag dummy. And at the same time, I want to keep my hair breathing. I don't want it smothered. Wigs, I don't sleep in. I don't sleep in nobody wigs. Mine's, yours, hers. No, I don't sleep in wigs. I like glueless wigs, things that I could take off and on. So I created me one for that, okay? But I'm manifesting. Yeah. Did I do good? Did I do good? Because I watch it enough. I watch other people promote wigs enough for me to know how to come on here. And yes, that is a Royal Goddess Bonnie. Yes, that is a Royal Goddess Melband. That is Royal Goddess bags, because I made custom wigs once upon a time. I'm just not in that field anymore, but I still make my own alter egos. When it's time for me to want to look like somebody, when it's time for me to want to show up for myself, yes, I still make me alter egos, but I don't promote wig making no more for clientele to make money off. No, I don't. But yeah, that's what your girl doing. Your girl ending the year off 2025 manifesting top brands, deals, etc. all 2026. So that's just me showing them, yeah, I know how to promote too, but I don't want to promote no wig. So please don't call me for that. Don't collab with me for that. Don't book me for that, because not doing it. I don't do that no more. But for products and stuff like that, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. But you guys, we about to go downstairs, because let me tell y'all what we doing tonight. We are about to decorate. I pulled a lot of stuff out the attic already. I'm not putting up no tree, and don't have time for that. But what I am going to do is I'm going to just decorate the house. I have so much stuff that I have to create, because I was looking at this thing on TikTok, Instagram, one of these streets that I was on, and I seen a nice centerpiece that I want to make for the little regular TV stand downstairs, and it was so simple, and it's something that I love doing. It's something that I can create myself, but you need the pool noodles to do it. I'm gonna show you guys the clip when we get downstairs. You need the pool noodles to create it. Of course, it's winter. Pool noodles is only out when? In the summertime, when they're going swimming. So that was out of the question. But I say all of that to say, let's go downstairs, y'all. Let's start getting this house together. Let's put some spirit in the atmosphere. Let's just put some Christmas spirit. Because my Thanksgiving is always, I'm not going to say boring or relaxing time. Christmas is going to be relaxing as well. But at the same time, you know, Christmas, that's when love is in the air. That's when Jesus is in the air. And please understand this. Know the true meaning of Christmas. People's not going out there spending thousands and thousands of dollars no more. No. I spend too much time with God, and I know the real meaning of Christmas. It's really pagan holiday. So I understand that people get gifts because that's what they did with Jesus Christ when he was born. Gave him gifts. But they gave him gifts. Not the whole family, the niece, the nephews, the papa. No. It gave him gifts. So if y'all want to please Jesus Christ and not be serving a pagan holiday, because you know the real meaning of it, Go pay you some tithes. Go to church and pay you some tithes. Now you're celebrating Christmas. Go pay you some tithes. But let's go downstairs. Come on, y'all. Let's get this party started with these decorations. Oh, my goodness. All this stuff, y'all, I have to saw through and start pulling out only what I want and what I'm going to use. I have my Santa stand right here. I have my, what this is? I have my Santa Claus. I have my Santa stand. These are my Christmas mat for outside and inside. And all of these bags, it's all the decorations and things of that nature. Now, these bags is stuff right here. I got all this stuff from the Dollar Tree because I want to make me something that's going to go right here. So as y'all see that I have a long way to go. So, but I do have to start. So what I'm gonna do is just start breaking all this stuff down so that I can just try to figure out what it is I want to put up and what it is that I'm not going to be using. But as of now, I want to show you the little inspo. I want to show y'all the inspo of what it is that I was trying to do. Let me get my phone. Oh my goodness, I got a long way to go. Hold up. Let me show y'all the inspo of what it is that I was trying to do. Let me take all this stuff off of here. But Merry Christmas. Well, Happy Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah. Let me go to Instagram and stuff right quick, y'all. Y'all done started putting y'all stuff together because I'm not doing no tree. I didn't put up no tree last year. All I did was just decorate it and called it a day. But we not doing none of that extra. We not doing none of that extra. Hold on, y'all. Let me go to my, because y'all know I be still trying to figure out how to work this phone. Okay, go here. Hold up. Up here. Saved. Where is that? Is this it? Nope, that's not it. Bam. This it. Wait, hold up. Let me get y'all right. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? But that's what I want to do. That's the inspiration that I was going for. But you need these noodles that's only out in the summertime. But people that do DIYs know how to save them. This is my first time seeing this creation. So I'm very inspired to do it because it's simple, it's easy, and I know how to do stuff like that. But let me show you guys all of what I have and what I'm going to throw together tonight. And I'm going to have to finish this tomorrow because I have to go to work and I've been at work all day. Today is actually December the 4th. So I'm starting off my vlog Christmas kind of late, but better late than never. Okay, so let me show y'all all the things that I got thus far from the Dollar Tree. Do you hear what I'm saying? I have an eye for stuff like that because I've been doing this all my life. I know how to have Marcus Neiman taste with Walmart money. Yeah. So this right here at the Dollar Tree was $5. And I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do with that, okay? This right here, this another one that was $3, okay? So I'm going to have these two together, but I'm going to put stuff inside of this. I'm going to put stuff inside of this. So where is that bag? Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, That's what we gonna do. Now all of this, of course, is my little green stuffer things from when I'm doing my flowers, sticking my flowers and stuff in it, because I don't have the noodle. So I have to make a substitution for these right here. Now inside of my little, I'm gonna call them, I don't know what you want to call them, but I'm gonna put stuff in them, okay? I'm gonna put my reindeers in them. I'm gonna put the little stuff in them, all right? So that's gonna be real cute. And then each one of them gonna have a bird sitting on top of it. So that's gonna come together real cute. That's what I'm gonna do with that idea. Now, far as the picture that I just showed you, right? As far as that, of course, I can't find the noodle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hot glue these together. These are some Dollar Tree little inspos, Dollar Tree trays. And they were number, everything in the Dollar Tree is like $1.75, $1.50, $1, whatever. It ain't 99 cents no more. You can bet your bottom dollar on that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hot glue these together. Okay, so this is gonna be my tray, because I needed something sturdy to put these heavy, oh my goodness. And I don't even think I'm gonna use all of these. But what I'm gonna do is, okay, so the look is supposed to be like this here. I'm gonna just give you an illustration of what it's supposed to look like. So on it, you're gonna have these trays, right? You're gonna have these trays. So you have your big tray. Of course, this right here is $1. These right here, well, I'm gonna say $1.75. So of course I'm gonna wash all this stuff up real good. Yes, pull all the tags and stuff off. You gotta clean this up real good so that when you hot glue, I'm gonna be using hot glue with my 360,000 E1000. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But I'm gonna put this on here, and then I'm gonna use these. Now some of these come in like blocks. Some of these come in blocks, okay? Some of these come, this is right here is 4 blocks. I'm gonna take these, one of these off. I'm gonna set it here and here. And when I do that, that's when I'll be able to start putting my flowers and stuff all in it and creating me a nice centerpiece. So I have the vision, y'all. But do I feel like doing this? Absolutely not. So there's no sense of me sitting on here wasting time with y'all. I just wanted to come on here and open up the vlog. Let's get this stuff started. Of course, this is going to be a to be continued, because all these Vlogmas is going to be 15 to 20 minutes if y'all want me to show up. So I can vlog for a long period of time and just chop it up and give y'all, you know, y'all know how this goes. For those who know. So with that being said, you guys, let's get started. Let's get started. Ain't no sense of conflict talking about it. Let's go ahead on and just get started.
Santa, tell me if you're